Hello to all my Sonistas. This is Juanita the Sonista, and I'm here today to show you if you have an iron that's kind of dirty like this one here. This one's been put up under a cabinet for probably over 2 years now because I'm always changing out and purchasing new irons. But what we're going to do today is attempt to clean this iron with a hot iron cleaner. Okay, and it comes in a 2-pack. Okay, I've taken one out of the pack already, and I'm going to attempt to clean this iron. Now, if your iron may not be as dirty as the iron you see here, you may have better success. But I'm not going to say that we can't clean this iron, but we can get it where we can, use this iron again without just throwing it away. So the first thing that you have to do, ladies, is you have to read the directions on the back of the package, okay? And to use this iron cleaner, it says that the iron must be very, very hot. I don't know if you guys can see that, okay? And that you do not use it on a cold iron, okay? And you need to empty any water from the steam. If it's a steam iron, make sure you remove all the water, before you start to clean this iron, as well as you need to use care in handling the hot iron. As you see here, I do have on some plastic gloves. However, you are going to probably need some cotton gloves, just to protect your hands, but I couldn't find any. So just for the video, I just wanted to put something to cover my hands to make sure that, I don't get burnt, okay? Now, the directions is to put the entire contents of one of these little packs, little tubes rather, onto the iron. And they sell these in bigger tubes as well. And the iron, I've already preheated, so it is hot, okay? Because you can't clean it unless the iron is hot. And then it says to use a terry cloth towel. So I have a terry cloth towel here that I'm going to use to clean this iron. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the entire contents, okay, of this on the iron. Okay, let's get a little bit on here first. It's kind of dripping down. You see that the iron is hot. Okay, and I want to get it all on like they said. Alrighty. And then you're going to start rotating your terry cloth on the iron to get this iron cleaned, okay? Now, they do say that if all of it does not come off in one cleaning, is to repeat the cleaning, okay? So I'm going to put some more on here because there is some left in the tube, and there's a heavier little spot here, okay? Here we go. And we're going to go, and we're scrubbing. It's already looking better, huh? So let's know that it will work. And I'm just cleaning and going back and forward, cleaning this iron so that it doesn't have all this buildup residue on it. I use this iron, and I think the last thing I ironed, it was, I don't know if it was some vinyl or something like that, okay? You don't want to get a knife or nothing like that and start scraping the bottom of the iron, but you do want to. I may have to do a second cleaning on this, but as we can see, it did clean up some, right? Okay, so let's see if there's any left in this tube that I can use on here. Okay. I think I might have gotten it all out, you guys. There we go. Okay. Set that over there. And then we'll scrub again. Yeah. I'm just scrubbing. May not be the best video, you guys, but it's a real video. And it's live. It's nothing I'm hiding here to get this iron clean. Still trying to get off some of this residue here. I don't know if those are scratches or what. Okay. Now I can take a wooden ruler that I have because I just want to see if this is a buildup Yeah, that's a buildup. Just wanted to see that. This won't scratch the Teflon on the iron, but it will let me know how much buildup is there. And it looked like I might have to do a couple of more cleanings to this. But if your iron is not as bad as this one, ladies, then just know that you can definitely get your iron clean if you don't let it get this dirty. I think everybody in the house was using this iron. Okay. So anyway, it'll give your Teflon a nice shine. And I'm gonna clean this a couple of more times. And if I can get that other buildup off of these two spaces here and here, I'll definitely, the little one down here too, I'll definitely go ahead and post that for you guys in the group, okay? Because I'm gonna do a second cleaning on this, but I just wanted to show you guys there is iron cleaners out there. You can purchase them at Walmart. You can purchase them at a fabric store, your local fabric store, and I believe that Hobby Lobby has it as well, okay? And I'll also post a link if I find this on Amazon so that you guys can check it out or make a purchase and just keep some of the iron cleaner handy, the hot iron cleaner handy. And I'm gonna do a little bit more scrubbing on this. So until next time, ladies, that's just the video I wanted to put out there for you guys to show you guys how the hot iron cleaner works, okay? And after we get that all off, you know, your iron is gonna be ready to go, okay? So until next time, this is Juanita the Sewnista, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.